What if blindness could be cured with a tiny implant? Imagine a world where the visually impaired can regain their sight through advanced technology. This is not a distant dream, but a reality that Neuralink is working tirelessly to achieve. Welcome to the future with Neuralink. This pioneering company is at the forefront of merging human biology with cutting-edge technology, aiming to revolutionize the way we perceive the world. In normal vision, light enters our eyes and hits the retina. The retina, a thin layer of tissue at the back of the eye, plays a crucial role in converting light into neural signals. This magical process turns light into electrical signals, which travel through the optic nerve to our brain's visual cortex. The visual cortex then interprets these signals, allowing us to understand and interact with our surroundings. That's how we see the world around us. Our eyes and brain work in perfect harmony to create the vivid images we often take for granted. But what if the eyes or optic nerve are damaged? What happens when this intricate system is disrupted? Traditional pathways are disrupted, leading to blindness. Enter Neuralink's Blindsight. This innovative solution aims to restore vision by bypassing the damaged components of the visual system. This groundbreaking technology uses a brain implant to bypass damaged eyes and optic nerves. The implant directly interfaces with the brain, creating a new pathway for visual information. Imagine wearing glasses equipped with cameras. These aren't just any glasses, they are sophisticated devices designed to capture and process visual data. These cameras capture visual data and convert it into electrical signals. Sounds like sci-fi? Not anymore. This technology is becoming a reality, offering hope to millions of people worldwide. These signals are then sent straight to the visual cortex, allowing individuals to perceive sight, even if their eyes don't work. The brain, being incredibly adaptable, can learn to interpret these new signals, effectively restoring vision. Currently, the images might be low resolution, but future versions are set to blow our minds. As technology advances, the quality of the visual data will improve, offering clearer and more detailed images. Think about seeing not just in regular vision, but in infrared, ultraviolet, or even radar-like data. This could open up entirely new ways of perceiving the world. Beyond the capabilities of natural human vision, we could potentially have superhuman sight. Imagine being able to see in the dark, detect heat signatures, or even perceive electromagnetic fields. The future is bright with Neuralink. This technology has the potential to not only restore vision, but also enhance it in ways we never thought possible. Imagine a world where blindness is a thing of the past and the possibilities of enhanced vision are endless. This is the vision that Neuralink is striving to bring to life. This is not just about restoring sight, it's about pushing the boundaries of what it means to see. It's about redefining our relationship with the world around us. Get ready to witness the future. With Neuralink's Blindsight, we are on the brink of a new era in vision technology, one that promises to transform lives and expand our understanding of what it means to see.